Everyone loves to travel, but let's be real. There are some annoying things that can get in the way of you really enjoying your time traveling hassle-free, like huge expenses packing, flying, and getting around. So, in this video, I'm taking you through 10 absolute must-know tips and hacks that will save you a ton of headache, money, time, and stress so you can travel smarter, relax better, and party harder. The last hack is a huge no-brainer, so be sure to stick around for that. Most of these tips are all in the prep. Putting in a bit of work before you fly out can save you a ridiculous amount of time and from stress. I'd recommend treating this as your checklist, so feel free to save this video to come back to as and when you need to. Now let's get right into it. Tip 1. Travel off shoulder season. If you want to save some cash and skip the massive crowds on your travels, go for the shoulder season if you can. Most folks think the peak season is the way to go, but the smart traveler knows that the months right before and after the usual tourist rush are golden. We're talking about spring and autumn mainly. During these times, you not only snag better deals on places to stay and flights, but you also get to enjoy the sights without battling hordes of tourists. Tip 2. Get credit cards that give you airport perks. Let's face it, airport food prices can be off the charts, right? Well, having one of these travel credit cards not only saves you money, but also gives you a free pass to munch on some complimentary food and drinks. And it's not just about the savings. Chilling in an airport lounge can turn a boring wait into a mini vacation. So, if you find yourself stuck at the airport with a long layover, lounge access is your ticket to comfort and relaxation. Tip 3. Save on flight tickets. To cut down those huge flight expenses, get yourself signed up for flight alerts through a travel aggregator. Flexibility is the name of the game here. If you can be a bit flexible with your travel dates and destination, you're in for some serious savings. How does it work? Well, these flight alerts keep you in the loop about any sweet price drops or promotions the airlines roll out. It's like having your own personal radar for the best deals in the sky. Plus, if you can be open to different travel dates, you might just snag flights at way cheaper rates. Tip 4. Pack light, pack right. Dealing with heavy suitcases is always a pain, and some budget airlines even charge you extra for bringing a lot of luggage. So, pack light and just take what you really need. This way, you can avoid shelling out extra cash for overweight baggage and enjoy a more comfortable journey. Plus, having lighter bags makes it easier to save money by going for public transportation instead of pricey taxis. It also makes city hopping or switching hotels a breeze. You can use packing cubes to stay more efficient and organized with your packing and unpacking. Also, when you're traveling, it's smart to pack a spare set of clothes in your carry-on. Airports losing or delaying luggage isn't that rare, especially during busy travel times or when you have connecting flights. To play it safe, toss a few essentials and an extra outfit in your carry-on. That way, if your luggage decides to take a detour or arrives fashionably late, you won't have to kick off your vacation by splurging your time and money on emergency shopping. Tip 5. Pack and carry these handy essentials. Okay, here are some things that most people can easily forget about packing, which can really just make your travels feel less stressful and more enjoyable. Travel first aid kit. Throw in some essential meds, painkillers, antihistamines and stomach soothers, and stash them in a compact pouch or bag that tags along easily. This way, if a minor health hiccup comes your way, you're not playing detective for a local doctor while on vacation. Sure, you might think, I can grab meds anywhere in the world. But finding those basic meds without a prescription can turn into a huge complication in certain places. Also, medications might go by different names in different countries, leaving you confused. So, having your own little health kit is like a travel insurance policy for those everyday health bumps. Extra phone charger, portable charger, and universal adapter. Toss these into your carry-on bag or purse so you can grab them easily when you need a boost. This way, you'll never find yourself stuck with a dead phone. And trust me, that's a game changer. With that extra charger in tow, you're covered, even if you misplace or damage your original one. And don't forget the portable charger or power bank, a real superhero on those long travel days. With a universal adapter, you won't need to stress over whether your gadgets will fit or carry around a bunch of country-specific converters. Plus, most modern adapters come with USB ports, making it even handier for charging your devices. It's a small investment that pays off big time and definitely a must-pack. Noise-cancelling headphones. Let's face it, the constant drone of the plane's engine and the chatter of fellow passengers and crying babies can be major distractions, making it hard to catch some sleep or get work done. Noise-cancelling headphones drown out the chaos and give you the focus you need to power through work or savor your music, audiobooks, or podcasts. Tip 6. Download offline maps. This is great for getting around without relying on internet connection. You can easily download Google Maps with just a few taps. Open up the Google Maps app on your phone, zoom into the area you want, or look up the city you're exploring. Hit the Download Offline option, and voila! Now, you can access that saved map even if your internet is playing hide and seek or if you're on airplane mode. Just remember to grab those offline maps when you're in a spot with good internet or even before you head off. Tip 7. Download Google Translate. Pop this lifesaver on your phone before you jet off to a foreign land with a language you're not familiar with. Whether you're typing or talking, Google Translate has your back. And get this, it even plays with your phone's camera using some augmented reality magic. Just point your camera at any text you want to read and voila, it translates it into your preferred language. Tip 8. Do some light exercise to avoid jet lag. Whether it's a jog, some light yoga, or a bit of resistance band action, exercise can perk you up and help kick jet lag to the curb. It's not just about staying fit. Exercise can also lower stress, boost your energy levels, and set the stage for a good night's sleep. Just steer clear of high-intensity workouts right before bedtime, as they might throw off your sleep schedule. Tip 9. Avoid exchanging currency at the airport. Even though it might seem super convenient to exchange your money right there at the airport, it's usually not your best bet because there are much higher costs and fees. For a better deal, hit up a bank or a reputable exchange bureau in the city. If you're in a pinch and you have to exchange some money at the airport, just do it for the bare minimum you need. Also, think about using a credit or debit card that doesn't slap you with foreign transaction fees and gives you a good exchange rate. It's a convenient and budget-friendly way to get your hands on local currency while you're on the go. Tip 10. Keep printed copies of essential docs. You should definitely have backup copies of your passport, visa, flight tickets, vaccinations, prescriptions, and other crucial documents. I'd recommend keeping offline copies on your phone and also physical printed copies. The key is to make sure you can access them even if your internet connection is shaky. I hope these tips and hacks help you have more stress-free, enjoyable travels. Again, I'd recommend using this video as part of your checklist, so be sure to save this. And also, I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time!